There is always going to be this tipping point where once we're dense enough, that one derelict spacecraft could jeopardize a whole shell or a whole orbit.
Our vulnerable LEO, a precious and limited resource, is becoming increasingly congested and needs our full attention and urgent action.
It is a global issue. If we create a catastrophe in orbit, that impacts everyone.
Commerce is impacted by it, and certainly national security is impacted by the growing debris challenge.
At the heart of this discussion is economic incentives.
I continue to worry about debris because there's ways to do damage without and try to deny the responsibility.
What if we can use a CubeSat in orbit today to be our sensors?
I hope we get to the point where all these companies want to do these. We just do it because it makes sense for us.